Come test drive the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist, battery saver. Your new ride is just a phone call away.